Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the presets of your song on Spotify desktop. To do that, click on your profile page, just profile picture up here, select settings, and you're going to scroll down until you find presets. So right now it's on flat. This is the usual one they have. There's acoustic, there's bass booster, bass reducer, classical, dance, deep, electronic, hip-hop, jazz, Latin, loudness, lounge, piano, pop, R&B, rock, small speakers, spoken word, and there's also treble booster, treble reducer, and vocal booster. And you can adjust it yourself here, and it's going to be called manual. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.